Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to install app on Windows 10. For installing an app on Windows 10, you have to select an application. I'm selecting this application, which is an Epson L3110 printer software. Simply right click on it and you have to search run as administrator option. Simply click yes. Here their license and agreement, you can read or simply click on it. I agree with the contents of the license agreement, then hit next. Install the latest version recommended, yes, then hit next. Here we are seeing that our printer driver is installing. Now I'm selecting connect your printer later, then next and finish. Our install is completed. So that's all. Thanks for watching.